Today, you're going to learn how to use AI to make money online, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle. AI is your new best friend. Let's get into 6 real ways you can use AI to earn income online. Method 1: AI-powered freelancing. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write articles, create product descriptions, or manage social media posts. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. AI helps you complete more tasks faster without compromising quality. This means more satisfied clients and more income for you. Method 2: creating and selling digital products. AI tools make it easy to create ebooks, planners, and printable templates. Use ChatGPT to write the content. Use Canva to design it, then sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. You can also use Midjourney or DALL to create AI-generated art for digital download. These products can earn passive income while you sleep. Method 3: start a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Use Pictory.ai or in video to turn that script into a video. Add an AI voiceover using ElevenLabs or Play HD. Design your thumbnail in Canva. Post videos consistently and earn from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsors. Method 4: affiliate marketing with AI. Use AI tools to create high-quality content that ranks on Google or YouTube. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts or video scripts. Use Phrase or Surfer SEO to optimize for search engines. Use Copy.ai to write emails and social media posts. Insert affiliate links into your content, and earn commissions for every sale. Method 5: AI automation services. Businesses want to save time and reduce costs. You can offer AI-based services like automating customer support with chatbots, generating automatic reports, or scheduling social media posts. Use tools like Zapier, Make.com, or the OpenAI API to build these automations. Charge clients monthly for ongoing service. Bonus method: flip services using AI. You don't have to do all the work. Here's how it works. Find a client who needs content, graphics, or marketing. Use AI to create the work, quickly deliver the results, and keep the profit. You become the middleman with smart tools doing the heavy lifting. Final thoughts: these are 6 powerful ways to make money using AI. Freelancing, digital products, faceless YouTube, affiliate marketing, automation services, flipping services with AI. Choose one that fits your style and take action today. The AI revolution is already here, and those who learn how to use it will lead the future of online business. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is Boost Mind AI, helping you unlock the power of AI to grow smarter and richer online. Thanks for watching.